How are you doing today? I wanted to make a video about this MiniPantherDao. Um, it's a it's a 14-day DAO. Um, they just started their staking today, and they're going to be giving some of it to a charity about for cats, black cats. And then here's a video on it that somebody made on YouTube. So if you look it up, MiniPantherDao, you might find some videos. I did want to play this.
MiniPanther.money is a special purpose DAO on the Phantom Opera network. MiniPanther's supply expansion lasts only 14 days, and then 80% of the treasury besides liquidity is used for buybacks on day 15, with 20% sent to the team. The admins cannot withdraw treasury funds. All buybacks are handled via custom functions, and that is the only possible use for the treasury. MiniPanther addresses both of the key problems facing DAOs: excessive supply inflation, and administrative misuse of funds. Because tokens can only be minted for 14 days, you get to experience an incredibly high single staking API without breaking the system. An 8% selling tax is redistributed proportionally to stakers, so there will still be staking yield when MiniPanther becomes the meme token of the Phantom Network. Also, please remember, part of the proceeds will be given to Black Cat related charities. Welcome to MiniPanther.money.
Okay, so it's MiniPanther.money, and then after that, it's going to turn into a meme coin. And then this is a video about the charity lady. And also, I think his name is Crypto Mischief. He has a video on it. I'm not going to play this whole video because I don't want to do copyright, but let's see.
Going on, guys. So guys, in today's video,
Conglomerate
we are finally about to see.
So if you want to watch his video, you can watch that. And you should probably read the light paper. It's 14 days, and then at the end, the last day, they buy back the token, and that should increase the value of the token. So as long as you hold it for the next 2 weeks, it might be, something you make a little money on. So basically, they just had a rebase thing, and then after the rebase, like I bought it and it was like 60. I bought it over here, like 60 something dollars. And what happened is after the rebase, I think people got that little extra and they sold it, and now it went down here to like 41, and now it's climbing back up again. So this might be and you can see all the people buying and selling here on Dex Screener. So it might be a good time to get back in if you want to get in this before it climbs back up, But anyway, this is just a small project. I'm not really into DAOs because I had bad experiences with DAOs. And also, there is something else that I wanted to show you about this. They have this information here about, let's see if they have it here. It's 14 days and they can do the buyback. There is some tax, and then it becomes a meme coin, and then there's this bonus outside staking for double rewards. And that will be on, I don't know exactly where it is. If they say it's on this other DEX. Oh, here it is. This Dark Knight. And it's a DEX. And I think it's a new DEX because, usually this kind of reminds me of the standard DEXs like on Ape Swap or something. It kind of looks like one of those. Where you can do the exchange, the liquidity, they have farming and pools. So basically, you'll be able to come here at some point and stake your, I think it's staked MiniPanther. Yeah, you'll get you stake, wrap, stake Mini Panther. Or you can do MP and Phantom and earn Dark Knight. MP stakers receive double rewards. You receive MP rebases and the Dark Knight bonus APR. So if you, once they have that up, you can get the rebases and this. So I'm not sure exactly how all that's going to work, but basically you stake, you get the MP, received stake MP, then you wrap your stake MP, then you received wrap stake MP, and then you stake, wrap, stake MP on Dark Knight and receive Dark Knight. So that's some bonus staking, I guess. I don't see, okay, here it is. I didn't see this APR before. I didn't see it there. But I did approve the contract, now I see it. But if you go to the pools, I don't, oh, these are the pools. If you go to the farms, I didn't see any MP thing yet. So maybe that has not started yet. You probably have to go to their, they have the social media maybe. Yeah, they have the social media probably on Discord or Twitter or Telegram. You can probably get more information on it. I was kind of just put a small amount just to see how it goes because I really don't trust DAOs too much. But I watched Crypto Mischief's video and he made it sound good. So, and because he kind of said that he knows a little bit about the what is it, the people behind it, and he wanted to and he talked a little bit about them, how they had this other project and how they're trying to fix the DAO situation kind of by doing a short term one. But that's all I had for you. So if you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.